What's up guys, you're welcome back to FinLearn YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to explain to you or guide you how to change your time frame during technical analysis in TradingView.com. And as you can see, I'm using TradingView. So what you just have to do is, the first thing is that you select the asset you want to do analysis on. You click on the one, or you search for the asset you want to trade on here. But for this tutorial video, I'm going to click on BTC USDT. So let's wait for that to load up for us, and we're going to have the full chart. So the chart has loaded up. So now, how do you now change this time frame? And as you all know, if you change the time frame, the look of all this historic price data or the candlestick chart is going to look a bit different than the one that is currently showing to you guys right now. So how do you now change it? You come here, this icon right here. As you can see, we have the D here. You click on it. This D is telling you that this is a day time frame. When you click on it, you can change it to any kind of time frame that you want, or you can also add the custom time frame that you want. That is, if you want to change it to another time frame that is not listed here, you can change it by clicking on this add custom interval time interval rather. Sorry. So now I want to change the time frame from 1 day to, let's say, about let's change it to 4 hours. You see that the chart is looking different from the one that is our 1 day chart, and as you can see, we have 4H here, and the 4H is talking about the 4-hour time frame. You can change it to another time frame. You can change it to 1 month also. So that's how you change the time frame in tradingview.com. If this video helped you, kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell icon, like my videos, and comment. Thank you guys for watching.